Let me show you easily the best, very affordable wireless karaoke set that we can get on AliExpress, and this is what the box of it looks like. We can get them in different colors and also a set of 2 microphones or 1 microphone. Inside the box we get the speaker, microphone, charger lead and also a quick manual. When it comes to the price, I have found absolutely insane deal for you. If you are a new user on AliExpress, you can essentially get this set for only $1. So if you follow the link in description comment, so I will leave where you actually need to go to get this for this price. And also that actually includes free shipping as well, and they usually take around a week to ship to the largest countries, maybe like 10 days to smaller countries. So again, like $1 with free shipping if you are a new user on AliExpress, if you follow the link essentially. But the regular price is around $7 to $10, depending if you get it with only 1 microphone or 2 microphones. Personally, I paid during some promotion around only $6 for this exact set. So again, I will leave the exact link where I actually got this from. So again, if you're a new user, you can literally get it for almost for nothing. First, this is what the speaker itself looks like. And the shape and form is extremely nice, and also it's very compact. But do not let this compact size actually fool you, because the sound quality is absolutely insane and it's very loud. So we have the quick buttons essentially that we can use it to control here. Also, by the way, this handle can be removed as well if you do not want, basically, yeah, without any handle. On the back we can even insert memory card, so we can use it as a wireless speaker essentially. So again, you do not even need to use this as a karaoke machine. Personally, I only got this machine because I actually my friend actually has this exact same unit, and actually I heard the sound quality that actually is coming from this, so and then decided to get this simply as a like Bluetooth speaker, because for this price it is absolutely insane. So we also have Type-C charging. Again, we can like insert for example USB flash drive here as well, and also we have aux as well. So overall the controls that we get is absolutely great. So if you want to power it on, simply hold this button over here for a few seconds, and essentially this is what it looks like. Also, we can turn off the light as well if you do not need it. Also, we can change the style of the light. By the way, the light output is very pleasant, especially at night. I really like to use it as a simple night light sometimes. And this is what the microphone looks like. We have the volume adjustments, also reverb adjustments, and we can charge it using Type-C, which is absolutely awesome. By the way, when it comes to the battery life on these units, the battery life is very decent. So again, usually I simply maybe plug it in even so and leave it on my table to use as a speaker. But again, in the wireless mode, this can last for several hours. So again, the battery life isn't a problem at all on this unit. Also, here is manual if you want to pause the video and see what we can do. And again, we have 5 watts of output power from the speaker. And again, the volume that we can get from this thing is really decent. If you want to turn on the microphone, simply press the power button for a few seconds and you will see this like a blue LED, and we can speak right away in it, and it connects pretty much instantly. By the way, also when it comes to distance, this can cover, I have found it's around 10 meters. So again, very large room, so no problem really for this unit. And also we can double click these plus and minus buttons to adjust the reverb as well. So if I like click it, basically I can get crazy reverb on this thing here as well, and it will sound like, I mean, like very huge room essentially. And if you want to connect to your phone, simply go in your Bluetooth settings, find this K12, click on it, click pair, and you see it pairs instantly. So again, it's very reliable when it comes to connections, and we can play the music to it right away.
Looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
And as you could hear, the sound quality from this small guy is absolutely insane. If I had to rate the sound quality and volume, I think it really isn't worse than any like $30 or $40 like wireless speaker essentially, so it's that good. And again, I mainly purchased only for the speaker. I really do not like sing karaoke and stuff like that, but again, obviously you can play music and sing over it, so if you like that stuff, I think the microphone quality also is fairly decent. And overall, should you actually get this wireless karaoke set? So when it comes to the price and what we actually get, I think it's absolutely insane quality, and also the sound quality is really nice. So again, this can easily fill up very large rooms, so the speaker quality is that good. So on this thing, also again, very good battery life, and also just the way it looks like it also is really nice and very modern. Obviously you can get these in various colors as well. And again, I only paid around $6 for this set. When it comes to sound quality, I think it's easily worth like $30 or $40 actually for this set, at least that. And again, I'm actually partnered with AliExpress, so I will actually leave a link how you can get this set. Actually, this set with 2 microphones for only a bit over like $1. So with only one microphone, it will be around $1. So again, simply follow the link. This is again with free shipping. So again, I promote AliExpress stuff, and that way I can actually use these deals. So essentially, but again, the normal price, if you follow the link, it will be around $7 to maybe like $10, depending on basically the color and also how much microphones you get. Still, for that price, I think it's really a no-brainer. So make sure to check the comments and descriptions. Anyway, good luck.